Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you all multiplication of the same numbers for two digit numbers. Let's start. So, step 1 is multiply the ones place of the multiplier and multiplicand. That is 5 into 5 which gives us 25. This is the first part of the answer and we have to write it down in the product place. Step 2. Multiply the tens digit of the multiplicand with its successor, which means that we have to multiply the 4 with 5 because 5 is the successor of 4. So the answer will be 20. This is the second part of the answer. So if we combine these two, we would get the total answer as 2025. This is the answer for 45 multiplied with 45. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.